Are you ready to crush your next HYROX? I got the perfect workout for you guys. I'm Coach Noah from Fitness on Fire. This is one of my favorite endurance workouts for HYROX. This workout is a circuit workout that's 3 movements, and we're gonna do them for time. We're gonna start with 1 minute of dumbbell walking lunges. Then we're gonna go into 3 minutes of running. Then we're gonna finish off with 1 minute of wall balls. We're gonna do this circuit for 4 rounds, and we're gonna shoot for about 1:30 to 2 minutes of rest, just so we can keep your intensity high. All right, let's go. First up, walking lunges for 1 minute. Walking lunges are great because it mimics the sandbag lunges you'll do in the race, but you're also getting the grip component for the farmer carry. This really helps work on the muscular fatigue that you're gonna feel in a HYROX race. And now we head to the run for 3 minutes. This is the main bulk of your HYROX race, so this is gonna be the most important part. I stole this from Elite 15 Pro Rich Ryan. This is called the anchor movement of the circuit. This is where you're able to sustain intensity and focus on that race intensity that you can build on and progress over time. What we're shooting for is get our heart rate up into zone 4. It's gonna be about 80 to 90% of your max heart rate. Trying to get it there and hold it there. What I love about the anchor movement of the circuit is you can swap this for ski, row, or bike. All right, 3 minutes down. Now we're heading to the wall balls for our final 1 minute. All right, we're finishing out with 1 minute of wall balls. We all know we need to practice our wall balls, and no better way to do it is to practice it fatigued, just the way you're gonna feel in the HYROX event. And there we have it. That's how you finish up that 3-round circuit. What I love about this is you can sustain and build on your intensity, like increasing the wall ball, increasing the weight on the lunges, and you can swap out the running for row, ski, or bike when you see fit, all less than 30 minutes. This is gonna really help you feel good all the way to the end of your HYROX event. Once again, this is Coach Noah. Thanks for joining me today for today's HYROX workout. Make sure you check out all of our other content on our YouTube and come train HYROX with us here in Irvine at Fitness on Fire. See you next time.